welcome to another weekly vlog. Today, I'm in a top secret location. Just kidding. I'm at the Tcho Chocolate Atelier Factory headquarters here in Berkeley, my hometown, and we just did a tour of basically the entire factory, of the assembly line, the refining, the mixing, the cooling, the heating, the packaging, all that good stuff. More to come on that. You can potentially book yourself a tour here in the future, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like my tour attire. This is a working plan, so safety first. On to the chocolate. What's up, guys? It's been a while since I checked in. Several days have elapsed. It's been crazy. Tonight I'm at Bento Yokyo with my good friend Karen, who I'll introduce you to in a moment. We're going to be trying some cocktails and some food from their special pop-up menu. We'll have all the details linked down below. And this is in my neighborhood, Soma. This is actually at Tank 18, which is like a private event space. Just a quick preview of the menu. They have onigiri, they have meat, salads, Asian inspired, like I see some Taiwanese stuff on here, some Japanese stuff. There's even like onigiri with elote corn in it. We're gonna show you guys some of the dishes and what we enjoy tonight.
Uni mac and cheese,
Ooh, yeah.
Pork braised tofu, Caesar salad with macaronis, cherries for no reason at all.
I like it.
This is Karen Tran, she's doing her thing.
Hi.
Gotta get that shot.
Hey, I'm Karen. I'm here eating with Chelsea at a pop-up Bento Yokyo. It's so good. We just finished, and man, I'm gonna come to the next one for sure because this fried chicken is so good. Gluten-free. It's like a Japanese karaage meets southern fried chicken.
Hi friends, it's been a few days since I checked in. I am currently at Momo's. I'm here with Ani, and she is like mesmerized by my camera. I'll send you a link. It's always in the description box below. You guys already know it's Osmo Pocket. Sometimes the autofocus, like at arm's length, is a little bit bad, but in terms of like landscape stuff, it's really good. So this is Ani. You guys know Ani. Battle of the Bays, Giants vs. A's.
My first Giants game.
Her first Giants game. How many years have you lived in San Francisco?
3 years, 5 years in the Bay Area.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Yeah, it's about time.
So we're gonna show her how it's done, okay? Hi friends, so I am at 165 right now in the 4th floor at the Elements cocktail bar. We're here for a little media tasting. I've been here before, really enjoyed the cocktails, and we're going to show you a little bit of the event tonight and some new bar bites that they have. Let's get these cocktails pouring. Wow, you can really taste the absinthe and the grapefruit. That's real good. Wow, it has that full minty sensation in your mouth too. That's crazy. Okay, so this drink is called Light as a Feather, Stiff as a Board. Look at that presentation.
Yeah, white is better.
Shelly got like this egg white float on the top of it. So good.